This video is all about on matrices, and it is in continuation of the previous video that was on matrices and the type of matrices. But today in this video we are going to cover the operation on matrices. There are several operations we can perform on matrices. Some of the basic operations, as you know, these are addition, subtraction, multiplication. Other than that, we can take a transpose of a matrix, adjoint, determinant and inverse. But in this video we are going to cover three basic operations on matrices, that are addition, subtraction and transpose. In next video we are going to cover the next different operations on matrices, and most complex and complicated of the operations on matrices is multiplication. So I am going to have a complete video on the method of multiplication of matrices. But in this video we are going to cover basic three operations. So let's get started. So for the addition and subtraction of matrices, there is only a single condition for that, that is same order, which means the matrices you are going to add or subtract must be of same order. Let's take an example first of addition. We have suppose a matrix A which have elements 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, and we have a matrix B of 0, 5, 6, 2, 0, 3. So friends, as you can see up here, matrix A is of order 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 cross 3. Similarly, matrix B is of order 2 cross 3. So these two matrices are compatible for addition. So for addition, first you have to write the name of a matrix with an addition sign, and then you have to add them. And for addition, you have to add every single number with the same place on the other matrix. For example, here there is a 1 and here there is 0. So we can add 1 plus 0. Then the next, if you are going by row to row or column to column, you have to follow the same pattern. So I am going first with the row to row. So second element in a row is 2, and on matrix B it is 5. So I write 2 plus 5. Number 3 plus here is 6. Similarly, 0 plus 2, 4 plus 0 and 5 plus 3. And on the next step we are going to add them. So A plus B matrix, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 6, 9, 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 3, 8. So here is the result for the addition of two matrices. Let's move toward the subtraction. For subtraction, the same condition holds, that the order of matrices must be same. So let's take some random matrices. For example, like I say matrix P, I take matrix P as 2, 3 and minus 4, 1. And let's take another matrix, that is matrix Q, and it should be of the same order. Let's take number 1, 5, minus 3, minus 5. So we have to subtract the matrices. First we have to write the name with a subtraction sign, and then we have to write the both matrices with a subtraction sign. So there is 2, 3, minus 4, 1 and a subtraction sign, and here is 1, 5, minus 3, minus 5. Friends, never skip any step in solving a mathematical question, because if you just skip a step, it is more probably the chance that you can make a mistake. Or if you just go stepwise, then it is very obvious that you can reach the correct result. So now, as you know, there is a minus sign. So we have to write our first number, then our operation, that is minus, and the next number in a bracket. So here is 2 and here is 1. So I have written 2 minus in 1. Then the next number is 3 and here is 5. So 3 minus, and I have written the 5 in bracket. Now here is minus 4 and I have to write minus, and there is minus 3. Here is 1 minus and minus 5. So we are going to first resolve these signs and then we are going toward the result. So P minus Q equals to, here 2 minus multiplied by minus becomes, sorry, here is minus, so it's minus 1. In the next 3, minus into plus, minus 5. Here minus 4, it remains as it is. Minus into minus, plus, plus 3. Here 1, minus into minus, plus, and 5. So here 2 operators become 1 and we can solve it. So P minus Q equals to 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5. We have to subtract this and the sign will be of the greater value. To 2 minus 5 is, sorry, 3 minus 5 minus 3, 2, and the sign is minus. And here plus minus, we have to minus them and the answer is 1, and the sign of the bigger value, that is 4. So we have write minus 1. And here 1 plus 5, 6. So the answer of P minus Q is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 and 6. Friends, never ever skip a step when you are solving a mathematical problem, as I have first written minus sign and then every single number with that sign, and then on the next step I have solved that problem or solved that solution. So now moving toward the transpose of a matrix. Transpose is interchange of rows into column or columns into rows. You have to apply one operation. Either you have to change the rows into columns, or you can change the column into rows. It's up to you. You can change the rows or you can change the column. So let's take an example. Let's take a random example. Suppose I have matrix A and I'm taking the numbers randomly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this matrix is of order 3 cross 2. The order of matrix is 3 cross 2. And for transpose, we have to write a small t over to the matrix. Okay, so that is the name of a matrix and we have to take the transpose. So we have written a small t over to that matrix or over to the name of matrix. Similar step will go for the matrix as well. And I have write a small t. On the next step, we are going to apply. So as transpose is the interchange of rows into column or column into rows. Suppose I just go through with the rows. So first row is 1, 2. We have to write this row into a column form. So it be like 1, 2. Then the next row 3, 4 into a column. That become 3 and 4. Similarly, last row, that is 5, 6 into a column 5 and 6. So friend, that was of order 3 cross 2. And now this one is of order 2 cross 3. So transpose, whenever you are going to take transpose, you have to follow only one thing, either to change rows into column or to change column into rows. So I have gone through with rows into column. Similar, if I have to write column into rows, so you can see that is a column 1, 3, 5. And when I have to write in a row, it becomes 1, 3, 5. And that was a column 2, 4, 6. And if I have to write in a row, that becomes 2, 4, 6 in a horizontal form. So in this way, we can take a transpose of a matrix. Hope you have get the concept of addition, subtraction and transpose of matrices. And inshallah in the next video, we are going to cover the multiplication. That is the most complex topic regarding matrices. Students have so many confusion regarding the multiplication of matrices. So we will inshallah cover that in next video. And if you like my video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay blessed.